If you're gonna say you wanna leave, I think we ought to talk about just what we need. I don't wanna stay. If we're gonna debate, are we gonna talk?
This will be really an opportunity to build on what's already happening. Around the table here you can hear the buzz because there's many creative thinkers here. We have people from all walks of life, all parts of the arts. I think there's going to be some really exciting ideas coming forward from this evening.
The aspects that appealed to us, the focus on children was a big thing. I think that was the number one priority.
The idea of planning on a bigger scale is allowing people to dream.
Preserve and promote Irish culture.
Music, so like learning guitar maybe once a week, just basics.
We like the aspect for the community of the creation and development of the arts and culture in the community for everybody.
Making music, art, dance classes, workshops available regardless of your socio-economic background is very important.
And lastly, pride. Help Longford people recognise the talent and achievement in their own county.